Join me as I dive into the world of Wicca and challenge myself to harness the energy of crystals to manifest my dreams for 2024. Crystals have been a vital part of Wiccan practice for centuries, and for good reason. They hold the power to harness and amplify energy, making them a crucial tool for manifesting our deepest desires and dreams. But what exactly makes crystals so special, and how can we effectively use them in our Wiccan practice? One of the biggest misconceptions about crystals is that they're only for hippies or New Agey types. But the truth is, crystals have been used for centuries across various cultures and spiritual traditions. They're not just pretty rocks, they hold real power and energy. Another common misconception is that crystals are only for healing physical ailments. While they can certainly be used for that purpose, they can also be used to manifest abundance, attract love, and even protect against negative energy. Many beginners struggle to integrate crystals into their Wiccan practice because they're not sure where to start. They might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of crystals available, or they might not know how to cleanse and charge them properly. Some might even feel like they need to have a certain level of spiritual expertise before they can start working with crystals. But the truth is, anyone can start working with crystals, regardless of their level of experience. When I first started working with crystals, I made the mistake of thinking that the more crystals I had, the more powerful I'd be. But the truth is, it's not about the number of crystals you have, it's about understanding their properties and using them intentionally. For example, did you know that amethyst is a powerful crystal for promoting calm and clarity, while citrine is known for its ability to attract abundance and positivity? There are so many different types of crystals used in Wicca, each with its own unique properties and energies. Clear quartz, for example, is known as the master healer because of its ability to amplify the energy of other crystals. Rose quartz, on the other hand, is a powerful crystal for promoting self-love and inner healing. Black tourmaline is a great crystal for protection, while selenite is known for its ability to cleanse and charge other crystals. One of the most powerful ways to use crystals in Wicca is through ritual work. For example, you might use a crystal grid to manifest a specific intention, or you might use a crystal during a full moon ritual to amplify its energy. You could even use crystals in your daily meditation practice to help you stay focused and centered. Here's a key insight I want to share with you. The most important thing when it comes to working with crystals is intention. It's not just about having a pretty crystal on your altar, it's about using that crystal with intention and purpose. For example, if you're working with a crystal to manifest abundance, make sure you're not just placing it on your altar and forgetting about it. Instead, use it in a ritual, hold it during meditation, or place it in a spot where you'll see it every day as a reminder of your intention. One technique that I found particularly powerful is using crystals in a meditation practice. For example, you might hold a crystal in your hand and focus on its energy, allowing yourself to fully tap into its properties and intentions. You could even use a crystal as a focal point during a visualization exercise, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the energy of the crystal. To summarize, crystals are a powerful tool in Wiccan practice, offering a range of benefits from harnessing energy to manifesting dreams. By understanding their properties and using them with intention, we can tap into their energy and amplify our own. Remember, it's not just about having crystals, it's about using them with purpose and intention. If you've had any experiences with crystals in your Wiccan practice, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your Wiccan practice to the next level, be sure to check out my next video on advanced Wiccan practices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.